I was waiting to hear cough, cough. There it is. Good job. I know you were all at a grad function on Friday. You're all still recovering. I know. Cough, 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 cough. Takes a lot of effort to cough. I know. K3 to 5. What happens when we get rid of our logs like that? We've got K3 all the way to 5. Once we get rid of log 5 base 5, all we have is K.
Is that exponent or is it root
What happens when you have an exponent in a log? It goes out front. So it's just gone. It's out front. So we just have K. So we really have 3 plus 4 plus 5. That's it. Wow. That is the easiest question of all time. Yay. Okay, let's go to 19. What do we have for 19? Let's just shimmy over here. Oh, we got another log question. Leave your answer as a single logarithm. Okay, well, let's take a look. Let's draw it out. Nothing's going to simplify this, or nothing's going to cancel this time, so it's a little bit different. What are we going to do? Draw it out. Well, we got starting at K1, going all the way to K4. So we've got log 1 plus log 2 plus log 3 plus log 4. What do we know from our log rules? Log A plus log B log AB. So this is going to be log ABCD, or 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 times 2 is 2, times 3 is 6, times 6 is 20, or times 4 is 24. So it's log 24. Okay. Is that doable? You've got one page to go. Let's give it a whirl. 93. Let's take a look. 93. I'll get you guys to do some talking here. What's funky in 93? What do we have to watch for? And, okay. Is K positive or negative? So what's K going to be? Sorry, what's R going to be? You knew what I was going to say. You knew what I was going to say. What's R going to be? Good job. Look at 94. Wow, they've already done it for us. That's the one we just did in our challenge. Log 5 base 5, cross it off because it's these exponents that go outside. There we go. All right, 95. Log x base x. Weird, so weird. Wow, watch this. Log x base x, it's gone. Yeah, okay, so let's take a look. K is n minus 1. What do you know about your answer? What can you already anticipate with your answer? Do you have a number for n? Your answer is going to have n's. We're starting with some algebra. Okay, you're going to have n's in your answer. And really, that's just going to be k. So let's just take a look at our blanks here. Our first blank is going to be n minus 1. What's our next blank going to be? It's the previous one. Plus 1. It's the next one. It's one more. It's whatever this was, and then one more. So what's 5? What's the one after 5? Supposing we had 5. What's the next one? What's the next one? Hey, hey, what's the next one? It's going to be 5 plus 1. It's 1 after 5. So in this case, when you go from n minus 1 all the way to n, you're actually only having 2 blanks. You're starting at n minus 1, and the next one, minus 1 plus 1, just turns out to be n. So let's put that in. What do we have? We've got k. So our k is n plus 1, sorry, n minus 1. Well, what do we go for the first one? K is going to be n plus 1. And the next one's going to be, sorry, I keep saying plus 1,
okay.
n minus 1. The next one's going to be just n. It's going to be n minus 1 plus 1. So let's add all those together. N minus 1 plus n minus 1 plus 1. 2 n's. Minus 1 minus 2 plus 1. Oh. Let's just check the back of that just to make sure. 95. That's right. It's weird because we don't have numbers. This k just becomes what we're dealing with. So that's the first spot. And this one's the second spot. And it's the sum of those things together. So it's n minus 1 and then n minus 1 plus 1. Not too many n ones there. There might be a few in your review booklet. Check out those ones.
So this is the actual answer?
This is the actual answer right here. Because we are one farther above. When we had n minus 1, the next blank is one more than the previous blank. So you could have just said n minus 1 followed by n, but I wanted to show why minus 1 plus 1 just turns it into the n. So it's like saying 4 minus 1 and then 4. What's 4 minus 1? 3 plus 1. So it's 4 minus 1 plus 1. Have fun with that. I wish there were more of those actually. I'll look through the booklet, see if there's any more. What do we have for 99? A little bit different in 99 here. What does this thing tell us to do? What does that tell us to do at the very end? You square your answer. Notice that it's squaring the actual sum. It's squaring the result. Okay. And I'm just going to go down here to 102. And I'm going to make a little note here for 102 to 105. The answers can vary here. Because what you're asked to do from 102 to 105 is make your own sigma notation. And it is possible to come up with different ones that work. And here's why. Because sometimes if you start with a half as your ratio, and you have an extra 2 out front, multiplying by 2, then your exponent can be different. Because that exponent and the half will cancel that 2. You can kind of just build different ways of writing the same answer. And with that, can I just also highlight on 100 here, what can you expect here when you have this type of situation? You have an A and you have a K. What kind of, why am I starring this one? What am I going to say? Why? Because you have two variables. When you have two variables in your question, usually if you have 2 in your question, your answer will have 1. It could have 2 depending on the way they cancel. All of our questions have at least one variable, right? Every question has one. Look at 99. There's a k, but they tell you what k is. There's one variable, but you spit out an answer. It's not until you have 2 variables that you're going to have an answer in a variable in your answer. Okay? Turn the page, everybody.
Yay.
We made it. So let's make some little notes here at the end. Does anyone have their netbook open? Are you open to our math page? I updated it this morning just to give you a layout for the next 3 days. So let me just do this actually on the front of the booklet. Sorry? A midterm? No.
What's online admission study?
Wednesday.
Online course or your course?
From our course, Unit 3.
Huh?
I moved it up, so
Oh, okay.
I moved it up so it's the first one you see. So it's actually block 1, but it's called Unit 3. And Wednesday.
Review, pretest. Oh.
Review and pretest on Wednesday.
Oh yeah, because Friday there's no school.
Right.
Yeah. That's true.
It's Remembrance Day.
You guys should all go downtown. There's gonna be a really cool choir singing.
Are you singing?
No, but I was supposed to be in it, but I couldn't because I went to the school. Well, it's Remembrance Day.
So that's today. We finished the quiz and booklet. I gave you the review today. The rest of the block, you've got an hour here to do the review. You've got an hour to finish your homework. You've got an hour to do whatever. Wednesday, you're going to start your pretest kind of once we, sorry? Okay. The first bit of the block is going to be just a bit of review time. I'll do some questions with you if there's any questions. Then you'll do your pretest. Friday is no school. Tuesday is your test.
What? Did
And
we skip a day then?
Friday.
Our schedule wise?
No, it just falls out of the schedule. We just jump over it.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's fine.
I know. Yeah. In other schools it backs up everything.
Yeah.
We just say
It's really annoying.
jump right over it. Yeah.
So can Darby like miss classes?
Yeah.
Or are you gonna have her in?
Um,
Or does it eventually work out that you'll still be home?
Unit 3 test on that Tuesday. I can't do. I'm still recording. Hello, everybody. I still am, I guess. That's fine. Unit 3 test followed by start of Unit 4. That's the second half there. Okay. This day, Kelly is away. So.
Are you gonna help us like math help us?
I am gone this whole day. So
Monday.
if I'm gone all week, so I'm not here.
Okay.
So.
You go to the day before.
Sunday.
I'm gone.
Okay, so I am gone that Monday as well. So if you have questions for me, it needs to be today, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Because come Friday, I'm on a plane. I'm out of here.
Wait, what?
Not telling.
Yeah, right.
Is it somewhere hot?
Send you a postcard.